What's the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive. Consecutive.
Consecutive. Consecutive. The term consecutive refers to a sequence where each item follows the preceding one without interruption or gap. It implies a pattern of continuity and orderliness. For instance, in a series of consecutive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, each number is directly followed by the next. Consecutive events or actions are ones that happen one after the other without any break in between. Likewise, consecutive wins or losses in a game refer to a certain number of successive victories or defeats. Overall, consecutive denotes a state of regularity, continuity, and interconnectedness.